Hey everybody, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with another 10 vintage vehicles available for sale this week across North America. I've provided links for each of these vehicles in the description below. As noted in the title and thumbnail, we have a giveaway coming up in a future video. More information on that giveaway is provided later in this video. Now, let's get on to the vehicles. Alright folks, we're going to get going here. I just want to start out by saying it's interesting this time of year. It's a little more difficult to find some great vehicles for sale, but I think I found 10 good ones here. The only issue I had was I was only able to find one with a video of the vehicle, so unfortunately I usually try to get 3 or 4 in, but today there's just one. So anyway, we'll get her started here. First off, we have a 1968 Mercury Cougar listed for $12,500 US in Centennial, Colorado. It's been driven 58,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is red, fuel type gasoline. Seller's description is as follows: 1968 Cougar 302, power steering, power disc brakes, automatic, runs great, beautiful XR7 interior, real true spoke wire wheels, stored for 30 plus years, just recently running and driving, owned for 42 years straight, dry body. Alright, I wouldn't be surprised if this one doesn't last long. A 1948 Ford F-150 Heritage regular cab pickup, listed for $12,000 in Barrington, New Hampshire. It's been driven 300 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is blue, interior color is gray, fuel type gasoline, very good condition. Seller's description is as follows: 1948 Ford F1 302 power plant, C4 automatic transmission, 8-inch Ford rear end, built over 3 to 4 years, in good condition. Okay, this one's a nice example of a 1955 Dodge Lancer, and the seller actually includes some history on the car itself as well. It's been listed for $15,000 in Sahuarita, Arizona. It's been driven 88,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is red, interior color is red, fuel type gasoline, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is as follows: experience the nostalgia of the 1950s with this remarkable 1955 Dodge Lancer. Featuring a powerful V8 Super Red Ram engine, this classic car is in excellent condition for its age, starting effortlessly with just one crank and shifting smoothly. The 1955 Dodge Lancer marked a significant milestone for Dodge, introducing the Super Red Ram V8 engine and joining the Detroit horsepower race. With hemispherical combustion chambers and double rocker arm shafts, this engine delivered impressive power and performance. The sleek and stylish design of the 1955 Dodge Lancer captures the essence of the era. It boasts a restyled body, sitting 4 inches lower than its predecessor, with thin roof pillars, a wraparound windshield, hooded headlamps, and tail fins. Designed by Virgil Exner, this car embodies timeless automotive elegance. If you're a collector or a classic car enthusiast, don't miss the chance to own this 1955 Dodge Lancer. Alright, the body on this one shows a lot of patina, but for the price, I think it's a great deal. Here we have a 1968 Volvo Amazon 122S, listed for only $3,500 US in Archbold, Ohio. It's been driven 80,000 miles, has a manual transmission, exterior color is red, interior color is tan, fuel type gasoline. This vehicle is paid off. Seller's description is as follows: Volvo Amazon 122S, great car, turns heads everywhere. The car runs but needs brake work. Have all the new brakes and calipers. Inside has been redone in the past. This is a very cool car. Restored, I've seen them for $30,000 plus. 4 on the floor, clutch is good. Alrighty, we're up to number 5 here. 1969 Datsun Roadster 1600, listed for $12,000 US in Visalia, California. It's been driven 50,000 miles, has a manual transmission, exterior color is red, interior color is black. Fuel type gasoline, this vehicle is paid off. Seller's description, rather short and sweet, but take from it what you will. Clean title, tags up to date, no trades, cash only. Come check it out and bring your mechanic and test drive it. Okay, I think it's time for another upcoming model kit giveaway. First off, I want to thank you all so much for getting this channel to 1,000 subscribers with the last giveaway. I've honestly been overwhelmed with the number of subscribers, comments, and thumbs up that each video has received. At the time I'm recording this, the channel has 1,177 subscribers, but only 4.3% subscriber views out of 208,000 views on the videos. Now, don't get me wrong here. I appreciate the huge number of views, but if we can increase the subscriber amount, it will help me tremendously with the YouTube algorithms. To help facilitate this, I'm offering another model kit giveaway. This time, I'm offering a 1/25th scale MPC 1967 Pontiac GTO model kit, brand new in sealed box. For this giveaway, I want to see us get to 1,300 subscribers. When we hit that 1,300 subscriber mark, I will run the giveaway in the next video. Complete details and instructions will be included in that video when we get there, but the simple basics of it are you will need to be a subscriber and will need to comment on that video. Thank you again for all the support you've given me. It takes time to put these videos together, and the response I've received from you has been great. You folks are awesome. Now, let's get back to the vehicles. So, here we have a 1949 Ford Prefect, listed for 11,995 Canadian in Pugwash, Nova Scotia. It's been driven 3,333 kilometers, has a manual transmission, exterior color is tan, interior color is red, fuel type gasoline, engine size 1 liter. Not sure on that, is possible. Seller's description is as follows. In the market for a fun summer car, check out this 1949 English Ford Prefect for sale. Car starts and runs great. Body is in super condition. This is a must-see. Come check it out. If you have any questions, please call or text. Alright, we're staying in Canada for this one. Here we have a 1976 Mini Cooper, listed for $15,000 Canadian in Oakville, Ontario. It's been driven 34,000 kilometers, has a manual transmission, exterior color undefined, interior color is black. Fuel type gasoline, and engine size 1 liter. Again, that's possible, I'm not sure if that's correct. Seller's description is as follows. In excellent shape, new clutch and tires, has been a summer daily driver to work, but now work further from home. Alrighty, Next up, we have a 1955 Dodge D150 Club Cab, listed for $9,000 US in Arlington, Virginia. It's been driven 38,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is gold. Seller's description is as follows. 1955 Dodge D150 Club Cab truck, driven 38,000 miles. My 56 town panel is for sale, 1970 318 slight cam with 747 transmission, runs great. All new wiring front to back. Older bodywork done a few years ago, but still looks good. It is modern rack and pinion front end and disc brakes from a 90s Dakota. Everything works as it should, except I haven't hooked windshield wiper motor up yet. I also have bumpers that would look great on it. I believe they came from an English truck. I would like to get $9,000, but I'm negotiable. Okay, this one's a wee bit different. Here we have a 1937 Ford pickup hot rod. Some may consider it a rat rod. Listed for $13,000 US in Pueblo, Colorado. It's been driven 3,500 miles, has an automatic transmission. Exterior color is black, interior color is red. Fuel type gasoline, good condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is as follows. He's calling it a rat rod, not for everyone. Are you a gearhead? If so, this is for you. You can keep it this way or take it to the next level. Runs, shifts good, steers and brakes good. Electrical's good. No comfort here, no power steering, brakes or AC. No radio or cruise control. It's just a fun around town cruiser that breaks necks. Get ready to stop everywhere for pictures from fans. If the ZAD is up, it's still available. I won't answer to, is this still available? Come on, man. It's in for the fall winter. Battery is out. So if you want to test drive, please have funds. Okay, we're going historic with this one. Here's number 10 for you today. A 1928 Falcon Night 12 four-door sedan, listed for $14,000 US in Tony, Alabama. It's been driven 26,475 miles, has a manual transmission. Exterior color is tan, interior color is also tan. Fuel type gasoline. This vehicle is paid off, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is as follows. 1928 Falcon Night 12 four-door sedan, 6-cylinder engine, 46 horsepower at 2,600 RPMs. Night sleeve valve motor, which means the engine has no valves. 2 sleeves with slots cut, one for exhaust and one for intake. Very rare motor and car. Only 11,041 Falcons made the 2 years they were in production. It needs a new vinyl top put on. I have the materials, just not the knowledge to do it. I have the fuel tank out right now to clean and coat. I have all the materials to do that too. At this price, someone could do that too. Car runs and drives great. Installed an electric fuel pump, low volume, 3 pounds pump. Look at the pictures, in great condition for the restoration. Alright everyone, that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified when future videos go live. New videos do go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're really enjoying my content, I've also set up a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.